IDFC First Bank Ranji Trophy 24-25, the Group D game between Delhi and Railway. We're coming to you live from the Arun Jaitley Stadium, which is nestled in this vibrant capital city of the country, New Delhi. It's a nice 28 well-made runs for Mathur, and giving him company is Siddhant Sharma. 334 for 7 is what Delhi ended the day. 93 runs ahead. Runs straight away, and 4 of them on the pads. Help yourself delivery, and gleefully accepted this by Mathur. Moves into the 80s very comfortably. A gift early in the morning, Rajat.
बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से उस गेंद को खेलना चाहते थे क्योंकि बॉल में स्विंग था, और यही खास बात होती है कि कोई भी गेंदबाज मैच समरी की अगर हम बात करें, रेलवे ने 241 रन बनाए थे जिसमें
cover mid off. Oh, beautifully bowled. Just the kind of move, get the ball doing things both ways. That'll be 4. Straying a little in the line. Length was all right. Leg by signal by the umpire, but 4 runs nonetheless.
लीजिए, ये कैच हो सकता है और हाथ में जाती हुई यहां पे बल्ला फेंका है और एज भी दिया. जिस चीज की तलाश थी वो यहां पे रेलवे को मिलती हुई. एक और विकेट.
So it's a real difficult call for the umpire because it's got to be in the, it's got to touch the return crease, and that's a beautiful shot. He'll get boundary there, but he's got to be really careful about that.
सैनी मुश्किलें पैदा करते हुए यहाँ पे, और बल्ले को जिस तरीके से रखा, कंट्रोल दिखा नहीं उस शॉट में, पर गेंद गई उस जगह पे जहां पे फील्डर मौजूद नहीं था. कई बार गेंदबाज
This will be close. Yes, the umpire agrees. Session puts his finger up, and the success for Sangwan. He set the cat among the pigeons by varying his length and also making the ball seam. It's a big wicket of Mathur. Fuller length, a bit of shape in there, and then it nipped back to catch the left-hander plumb in front. It's been an interesting innings, this. Pulled away, and he will get a boundary for that. Huge gap out there. Just the 3 fielders on the onside. In fact, 4 fielders on the onside, but 3 of them are out there in the deep, which will provide a lot of angles for the batter to exploit.
और शायद इसी कारण चेस्ट पैड पहन के उतरे थे नवदीप सैनी. पटकी हुई गेंद थी, कंफर्टेबल वहां पर नजर आए, और वो डीप मिड विकेट खाली क्षेत्र में चौका जड़ते हुए नवदीप.
Yes, he's nippy, no doubt, is Kunal, but he's got to really get. Once again, looking to stroke it away through the offside. Just the hand speed is what we've seen from Grewal so far. Not much of footwork. And this was the drop catch. Saif, it was unsure about how he was going to have control of the ball.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल. और ऐसे नहीं कि चांसेस क्रिएट नहीं किए गए. राजवंशी की भी पहली गेंद पर वहां पर एक जीवन दान मिला उनको. यहां पर क्लीन बोल्ड. सांगवान और स्टम्प्स की प्रेम कहानी जारी. यहां पर 4था विकेट हिमांशु सांगवान के लिए. उसी लाइन और उसी लेंथ पर प्रहार करते हुए वेल बोल्ड हिमांशु.
Most successful bowler for Railway, Sangwan, picking up 4 wickets, pegging away, bowling a fuller length to the tail-enders, and getting the just rewards. Sangwan didn't experiment too much when number 10 and number 11 were out there in the middle. Fuller length, giving the ball to seam around a little bit, and beats Grewal comprehensively. And that's the end of the Delhi innings. He's been very impressive. 4 wickets for 55 runs of 25-33.
The pick of the bowlers, that man Himanshu Sangwan. 4.
नया गेंद सुबह.
You haven't done well in the first innings. You're there. Feet really not moving. Feel like lead at times when you're short of runs or short on form. Just don't get them to move bold in the first innings. That's also perhaps because the other two, Mani Grewal and Navdeep Saini, really bowled well. Very incisive. They got the wickets at regular intervals. So every time the skipper thought of going to Siddhant, they would get a wicket. Especially Mani Grewal really bowled well. A little bit of a bat. Oh, he's given him. Up goes the finger. The one that comes in catches the batsman in front. The umpire, absolutely no hesitation. Let's take a look at that one again.
काफी इंटरेस्टिंग होगा देखना कि क्या बल्ला लगा था. गेंद जरूर अंदर की ओर आया. थोड़ा बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल जरूर दिखे सूरज, पर गेंद क्या बल्ले पे लगी थी. बार बार उस रिप्ले को देखा जाएगा. सूरज आहूजा 1 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए. रेलवे 1 पे 1. इसलिए तो आप आए हैं देखने इस मैच को. ये लेंथ बहुत बढ़िया है. चौका खाया आपने, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, पर ये लेंथ बाकी लेंथ से काफी बेटर.
The crowd by a few thousand for sure. When he bats, it'll be multiples of thousands. But really nice to see the kind of value that it brings to Ranji Trophy cricket by these stars playing, and probably the biggest star in the country, the biggest brand in the country. Magnificent sight to see Virat Kohli on the park after 12 long years. In the slot, put away. The timing was good, the placement was even better.
लाजवाब स्ट्रोक. पिछली गेंद पे बीट होने के बाद एक अच्छी वापसी. काफी ऊपर का गेंद और वो भी पैरों पर. टाइम किया, गैप में बॉल को डाला. स्थिर रह के इस शॉट को खेलना बहुत जरूरी, और वही करते हुए सैफ.
Once again, nicely stroked down the ground. That's a poor effort which will fetch the left-hander another boundary. Back-to-back boundaries for Saif. Use of the feet and straight away success for him. The bowling change has paid off. Vivek was dancing down the track looking to go over the top, and he was absolutely deceived. Feasible lead. Good use of the feet from the left-hander, and he'll get a boundary for that. It's not the easiest of shots to play on drive against the turn, but Mohammad Saif played that beautifully.
और यहाँ पर ऑफ साइड की ओर कूदे, उस लाइन को कवर किया. जो थोड़ा बहुत स्पिन हुआ उसको भी कवर करते हुए बिल्कुल ही सेफ शॉट यहाँ पर. और आउट. नवदीप सैनी ने यहाँ पर उम्दा सपोर्ट दिया. कूदकर मारने का प्रयास था और चलता किया एक और लेफ्ट हैंडेड बल्लेबाज को शिवम शर्मा ने.
Looking to go over the top of the left-hander Mohammad Saif, but he only managed to give an easy catch to the fielder at mid-on. Shivam Sharma picking up the second wicket. That's the end of Mohammad Saif. He's dismissed for 31. He'll be disappointed because he's got off to a start. He's done all the hard work, but he's thrown it away. And Railways lose their third wicket at 56.
ये लीजिए, सही लेंथ पे गेंद डाली है. बाकी काम आपका इस तरीके से होता जाएगा. टॉप ऑफ द ऑफ स्टंप जाके लगी है गेंद, और एक बार फिर से सैनी बताते हुए कि किस लिए वो जाने जाते हैं तेज गेंदबाजी के मामले में.
Well, absolute pitched on middle and off, and hitting that off peg. Take a look at that. Pointing to the pavilion, and bowled an absolute dream of a delivery. Mirai gone for one. Now Railways in deep troubles. 57 for 4. Stop. Pitches that one in the slot, driven magnificently through the covers. Will pick up 4 very handsome runs. Karan Sharma off the mark in style.
बाउंड्रीज बटोरते हुए इनकी इस शॉट में वो विश्वास दिखा है, वो पहली इनिंग का विश्वास जहां पे इन्होंने रन्स बनाए रखे हैं, इसीलिए अपने पाले में गेंद को जाने नहीं दे सकते। अगर
That's the kind of cult following that this gentleman has on your screen. He's enjoying it for sure. It was a little scary, Rajat, to be honest with you. Suddenly, you know, we had a lot of people running onto the ground. Seemed to be more security guys than the fans, but the fans need to stay in the stands, you know, not breach the security barriers. Nicely played. We'll get a boundary amidst all the drama that's happening around him. Upendra Yadav just helps himself to a very nice boundary. Waited for the ball to come to him. Took it on the full.
या फुल टॉस बनाते हुए यहाँ पे बिल्कुल ऊपर डाल।
There it is, confirmation. 29.4 overs, 114 runs, 7 wickets lost in that.
That's nipped back, that's a shout, and is given. It's a big wicket. Grewal has been impressive right through this game, and he strikes in the first over after lunch. And he's picked up the wicket of the most consistent batsman for Railways this season. Upendra Yadav is the one who was dismissed. That one nipping back and catching Upendra Yadav in front of the stumps.
जी हाँ, बहुत बड़ा विकेट यहाँ पे मनी ग्रेवाल को मिलता हुआ। गेंद जिस तरीके से अंदर आई और नीचे रही, वहां पे अंपायर बिल्कुल सुनिश्चित। उपेंद्र यादव 19 रन बना के आउट हुए। रेलवे 76 पे 5।
Big shot, and Nand Kishore agrees with the bowler. Left-hander trapped in front. Karan Sharma is not happy, but he has to leave the field. And thus the 6th wicket down for Railways.
एक बार फिर से विकेट टू विकेट गेंदबाजी करते हुए थोड़ा सा गेंद टर्न हुआ और करण शर्मा बिल्कुल तीनों स्टंप्स के सामने। नंद किशोर के लिए कोई कठिनाई नहीं उनको आउट करार देने के लिए। करण शर्मा 16 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए रेलवे मुश्किलों में 80 पे 6। जी विराट कोहली उनको डीडीसीए फेलिसिटेट करती हुई उनके 100वें टेस्ट मैच की वजह से जो उन्होंने श्रीलंका में 2022 में खेला था। बहुत बड़ा मोमेंट डीडीसीए के लिए और विराट कोहली के लिए। रोहन जेटली जिस तरीके से